Hey guys, welcome back to Social Nerd. In today's video, I'll show you how you can download and sign up for Tumblr on your mobile device. Tumblr is a social networking web page that allows the user to blog with it. Anybody will enjoy it any time of the day. It is a very popular microblogging online social networking. It is fast growing all over the world. It is because it's free for new users from all over the world and it's 100% free to download the app. You can use it on all devices as it works on iOS, BlackBerry, Android and Windows devices. There is no age limit, so anybody can use it. And it also allows its user to make use of tags to collect related posts. So to use the amazing features of Tumblr, all you have to do is first download it on your mobile device. In order to do that, go to Play Store application on your mobile device, then tap on it to open it. On the search field, go and search for Tumblr. Once you find the relevant results, go and tap on the install button. As it starts installing, wait for the downloads to complete. And once it's done, go on the application and tap on it to open. Now if you want to sign up for Tumblr account, then go and tap on sign up option. Here you can sign up with email or your existing Google account. Make your choice. Now you'll have to enter your age on this text field. Once done, tap on next. Then create a unique username for your Tumblr account. Once done, tap on next. Now fill up your dashboard with things you love by tapping on to the tabs. Pick at least 5 tabs, then go to the top right corner, then tap on next. And once you reach to the get started page, go and tap onto the home icon that is on the bottom left corner. And you will land onto an interface like this, which means you have now successfully signed up for a Tumblr account. And this is how you download and sign up for your Tumblr account. So this will it for today guys. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the like button if the video was helpful. Subscribe to the channel and stay updated for more videos like this. Bye bye.